Hello friends, today I have fitness gym Instagram story. These are 6 files for Photoshop CC and here is some photo from web. So first I show you this design, your photo here. You can adjust one by one. So I drag this file in Photoshop and you write your own gym name or your logo. Here is you can write your and creates your website. So you can click on here photo here, open any photo. For example, I import this photo and adjust here. Wow, here okay, Control S for saving, and you see here the design are unable here. Then you can more change color deeply. Double click here and select our dress color, blue, etc. Our second option is gradients overlay. You see here, for example, click on overlay and you see the design, or click on color. You see here the color is colorful shadow. You see, and you can change more deeply on screen color, in light, hard light. Wow, just light here. So I think is overlay is better. You can change more deep or everything. So I close this file, and these are RGB for social media. Here is second. Just open and select your any photo like this. These are low resolution, so I delete this file and open another file. These are couple. Control Shift L for auto labeling. Wow, no, select, enter, Control S, and you see here these are simple. You can write your own text here or website. Change color, pink color if you want. If you like, you can apply gradients overlay. Okay, next are same. Just open and here is 10K. You write your own any choice or on text. Open. Wow, these are couple photo here, and just enter, Control S. You change color, match dress color. Oh, opacities. If you like, you can edit everything. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.